Do you want the whole course really quickly?
Yeah,
if you were recording this, the whole course could have been done right now. Right. But here's the tube, the inner filament of a diode tube, and here's the glass tube, and they're each connected with wires outside the outside world. So a diode, if you can imagine, here's a tube. There are two wires coming out. A diode lets flow go through one direction and resists it the other way. Well, the interesting thing is, when you heat up the filament in the middle of this tube, it lets flow go through the filament, and because it's hot, it radiates outwards. The energy is going from the tube to inside the glass is a mesh net to capture the energy coming out from the filament and the flow through. So you can go in through the filament to the mesh net and then out the other wire, which is what a diode does. It's a one-way valve, but you cannot go the other direction because you can't go from the mesh into the filament, which is really hot and shooting out, right? Okay, so, and then after we go through and we talked about all the different resistors, capacitors, inductors, and now we're beginning to do things that are interesting, that are beginning to tip the toe between non-digital and digital electronics, which is this line right there, the decision-making to let current flow or not flow, which is that border between digital and non-digital, and transistors, where they can decide whether
so let current flow or not flow.
Let my current flow.
Flow or not
No.
flow?